Hello guys, good evening to all of you. Can you hear me? See guys, so today we are going to discuss about the WRICEF concept. So WRICEF, how many people know about WRICEF? So tell me, so how many people know about WRICEF concept? What is WRICEF? Why this WRICEF concept? Tell me, anyone? Okay guys, WRICEF means workflow, R means reports, I means interfaces, C means conversion, E means enhancement. F means forms. Okay. WRICEF means workflows, reports, interfaces, conversions. Okay. E means enhancements. F means forms. Okay. WRICEF means workflows, reports, interfaces, conversions, reports, and workflows. Okay. And here, so a BAPR involvement is much in this WRICEF concept. So almost 80% of 75 to 80% of work involved by a BAPR only. Okay. So without a BAPR, we cannot fulfill this WRICEF requirements, WRICEF objects. This topic name is WRICEF objects. Without a BAPR, we cannot do anything. Okay, as a functional consultant, we will do unit testing and we will do some configurations relating to relevant configurations we how to do. Okay, and but here in the WRICEF objects, so okay, we cannot fulfill the requirement without a BAPR help. Okay, so this is called as a WRICEF objects. WRICEF objects. WRICEF means the W means workflow, R means reports, I means interfaces, C means conversions, C means enhancements, F means forms. So here the 75 to 80% of a BAPR involvement is much. Okay, without a BAPR help, we cannot do anything. And so rest of the work will be done by functional consultants. Okay, so here we should understand that 75 to 80% of a BAPR involvement is much in this WRICEF concept. Rest of the things will be taken care of. So functional consultants. So WRICEF means workflow, R means reports, I means interfaces, C means conversions, C means enhancements, F means forms. Okay, so 75 to 80% of a BAPR involvement is much. Okay, in this case, rest of the things will be taken functional consultants. Okay. So here we should understand the CR process. So in this WRICEF concept, we should follow the CR process. CR means to change the request. CR means change request. We have to follow the process. CR means change request. So here WR report ISA info. CR means change the request. And so we need to follow this request, change request. So here we can categorize incidents, service request, incident, service request, and CRs also there. Incidents, they should have priority and severity. So incident should have priority and severity. Incident should have priority and severity, and service request. So no priority means we need to resolve this issue within 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 10 days. Also incidents can be categorized P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, incident should have priority means there is an SLA will be there. So according to this SLA, every company has SLA to process, to give the solutions. Okay, like P1 ticket, resolution time 2 hours. So P2 ticket, resolution time 6 hours. So P3 ticket, resolution time 3 days. P4 ticket, resolution time so 4 days. There is an SLA. SLA means service level agreement. So P1 ticket means priority 2 hours, priority 6 hours, priority 3 days and 4 days. So if ticket duration is 2 hours, 2 hours. The P1 ticket duration is 2 hours, P2 ticket duration is 6 hours, P3 ticket duration is 3 days, P4 ticket duration is 4 days. So we need to resolve this ticket within the time interval. Within the time frame, we need to resolve these tickets. Okay, so if for this ticket P1 2 hours and P2 6 hours, P3 3 days, and P4 is 4 days. This is called as a resolution time. So P1 ticket 2 hours, we have to solve this issue within the 2 hours. P2 ticket we have to solve in 6 hours. P3 ticket within 3 days, and the P4 ticket duration should be 4 days. So this is called as SLA. SLA means service level agreement. Okay. Response time is there. Resolution time is there. Response means what? So within the response means, what is the response time? So P1 ticket 2 hours, response time is, so this has a response time. So in the ticketing tool, okay, so once ticket has been assigned in your queue, FICO team, then automatically time will be calculated. Okay, within this 15 minutes of time, you have to assign this ticket with your name or colleague name immediately, or else ticket will be breached. And so your resolution time is 3 days. If it is crossed 3 days, then issue will be resolved automatically. So you should understand this. P1 2 hours, P2 6 hours, P3 3 days, and P4 is 4 days. And this 2 hours duration 15 minutes. P2 duration is 15 minutes. P3 duration is 3 days, 30 minutes, and P4 duration 4 days. This is the resolution time, response time, and the resolution time. Okay. So if any of resolution time is breached, then company need to pay penalty also. For there is a one percentage will be there. Okay, so this percentage will be calculated for all modules, not only FICO, like FICO, MMST, all functional modules. So a client will give you 10% negligible. Okay, 10% negligible means if 90% is okay, 10% breach is there, then fine. Okay, this should be resolution or response time, whatever it means. But if it is crossed to 10%, that means definitely, okay, definitely there is a problem. Okay, so total percentage should be calculated for all modules. Okay, if it is crossed 10%, should be 11%. Then so this is SLA. Okay. So P1 2 hours resolution time 15 minutes, and P2 6 hours resolution time 15 minutes. P3 3 days resolution time 30 days, and P4 4 days resolution time 30 days. Okay. And here, so incident should have priority and severity. Okay. So we should understand this. So this is called as a service level agreement. So service, for service request, there is no priority. So ticket should be P1, P2, P3. But, service request is just like, if any ticket is assigned to you, but it's not priority, is not much that, not that much level. Okay, if duration should be 6 days, 7 days also, okay, it's negligible. Okay, I can talk with your user and you can discuss. This will take 6 days, 5 days, 7 days. Okay, no issue. But if it is incident, then there should be a priority and a severity. Okay, if it is incident, there should be a priority and severity. Okay. Okay. This is called as a SLA. SLA means service level agreement. That's it. Okay, for CRs, CR there is no SLA. Okay. CRs means it will take some CRs will take 10 days, 15 days, 3 months, 6 months also. CR means change request. What is change request? Change request means like you want to create a company code. Okay, you want to create fiscal variant, you want to create any GL account group or any configuration, just like configuration. There is a process will be there in every company. So this process is depends upon the company to company. Okay, so once you do configuration, okay, so it will move to the production from development to production. So in development we will do configurations, right? Once we will do the configuration in development, then we move this change request to quality. Okay, and quality will perform the testing activity. After that, we will move the changes to production, pre-production to production. This is the change request. Okay. This is called as a change request. Change request means CR process. Okay. Incident has a priority. So, but CRs has do not priority. So what is the CR process? Once you join into any company, any organization, so you need to take a KT plan. Okay, KT plan on this. Like, so what is the CR process? And what is the SLA? If you are in the support project, definitely SLA will be there. You need to ask your senior member what is the SLA of this project. Okay, so based upon the SLA only you need to work, right? So if duration is 2 hours, you will how to solve this ticket 15 minutes. If duration is 6 hours, its time should be 6 hours, 3 days, 30 minutes, 4 days resolution. That is like that. There is a CR process will be there. Okay. So change request. Change request means, so for any configuration you want to do in SAP development, first you need to take approval from the client as well as IT leads. For example, today you want to create any company code configuration. First you take IT approvals and as well as your client approval. Because you see here it's a dummy system. Okay, in dummy system we can do anything. But in the real-time system, it's a development, it's a golden client. If you configure anything, so servers will get affected and it should be countable. You need to answer to the base system why it was created. But here in the testing server, okay, whatever you do, there is no issue. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you. Okay, so dummy servers are different, real-time servers are different. Real-time servers don't touch if you don't have any knowledge. Okay, like if you have half knowledge, you are doing configuration in the development, please think of it. Okay, without having 100% knowledge, don't touch this development server in real time. All the configurations will be done in the development server only. So first you need to take approval from the client as well as IT leads. So this is the first point. Second step. Second step. The first step is you need to take approval from the client as well as IT leads. Okay, and the second step is, okay, first to take approvals. Okay, so once you get approvals from this client as well as IT leads, the second step is, okay, what is the second step? Second step is you have to prepare the CR document. So this will be you have to prepare the CR document from ServiceNow. Okay, so you have to prepare the CR document. CR document means change request document. What you are going to change in the development. Okay, what you are going to change in development. You are doing changing related to company, or you are doing new configuration of the tax codes, whatever it may be. So you have to prepare the CR document. I will show you some CR document testing purpose. For your understanding purpose, I have one document I will share you in this class tomorrow. Today is just like introduction class. Okay, about this RICEF concept. Okay, for the RICEF concept and the general configuration point of view, how to take the configurations. Okay, so first step is you need to take approval from the client as well as IT leads. And the second step is you have to prepare the CR document from the service now. So this is the second step. And the third step is, what is the third step? What is the third step? What is the third step? Third step is prepare FSD document. If you are working with ABAP, definitely as a function consultant, you have to prepare FSD document. That is very much vital. Without FS document, ABAP won't work. Okay, so ABAP will ask you, even if you want to do any configuration changes or any developments or any enhancements or any workflows, ABAP will ask you, please provide me FS document. FS means functional specification document. Without FS, ABAP don't work. Okay, because it's the conclusive evidence what you are giving to the ABAP. So even you are the responsible, sole responsible to the client. Even 90% of work is involved with ABAP, 10% is only you. Don't say to the client, so 90% is ABAP work. I'm only doing 10%. Don't say like that. Even it is 5% involvement is there. Definitely, you need to be accountable to the client. So you are whole responsible. You are the in charge. Okay, you are the in charge. Okay. The first step, you need to take approval from the client as well as IT leads. And the second step is you have to prepare the CR document from the service now. Okay. And third step is prepare FS document, and fourth step. So prepare FSD document and you have to prepare CR document from service now. And first step is you need to take approval from the client as well as IT leads. And fourth step is next thing is prepare FSD document once FS document has been prepared. And fourth step is what? Tell me what is the fourth step? What is the fourth step? Fourth step is, so you have to see in the FS document how the FS document will prepared. Tomorrow I will discuss. Okay. Okay. First you just understand FS document. That's it. Okay. And the fourth step is both evaper and if functional consultant involvement is there. Okay. Both evaper and functional consultant will start configuration. Okay. In development. So evaporate any GT codes, G tables, G reports if it is necessary. In real time, Z is called as G. Okay, G tables, G reports, G T codes. Okay, customized. These are the customized. For example, we have T code FB50. Okay, instead of FB50, ZFB50 should be created in real time. Okay, so because this FB50 standard transaction code is when not satisfied the client requirement, ZFB it should be prepared. And invoice ZFB60. Okay. ZFB60, ZFB70. So these are the, if both evaper and function consultant will start configuration development. If he will start G programs, G tables, G reports, and G reports. This should be created by evaper only. Okay. So our role is nothing here. So we are functional consultant. We don't know what evaper will do. Okay. We don't know coding, programming, whatever it may be. We don't know. But as a functional consultant, we will discuss. Okay, the client requirement to the evaper. Okay, this is the requirement. His client is with the client now. So it is possible or not. That things we will discuss first. We need to check feasibility. we need to check the feasibility. If feasibility means what? What is the feasibility? Checking. Okay, really it's happening or not checking. That is called as a feasibility. Okay, first we need to check the feasibility. Okay, feasibility first we need to check. Okay, say ABAP says yes, we can do this requirement without having any SAP help. Then fine. So ABAP will create G programs, tables, whatever it may be. Okay, he will complete the requirement. Our side functional consultant, whatever it's related to configurations or testing or whatever it may be required, that will be done by ABAP consultant. Got my point? And once both ABAP and functional consultant, we start a configuration, and ABAP side, ABAP will do the configuration, and so he will prepare the technical specification document. So ABAP will prepare the technical specification document. So ABAP will prepare the technical specification document. So both ABAP and functional consultant will start configuration and development, and thoughts to prepare FSP document. ABAP will prepare the technical specification document. Okay. First, you need to take approvals from the client as well as IT leads, and second step is how to prepare the CR document from the service. Now, third step is prepare the FS document, and fourth step is the ABAP and functional consultant start configuration and development. Fifth step, ABAP will prepare the technical specification document. That's it. Okay. And sixth step is so, and the sixth step is it's a okay, fine. And sixth step. Sixth step is ABAP will prepare the technical specification document, and then sixth step is okay. Once requirement is done, we have to move forward the changes from development to quality with help of basis team. With help of basis team, and say basis team will take care of the transport request movement. Okay, so basis team will do this activity to move forward the changes from development to quality. Seventh step, as a functional consultant, our responsibility is to perform the unit testing. Okay, ABAP don't know about the testing activities. ABAP will create G program, and he will also create GT code, G table. Okay, whatever the technical aspects are there, ABAP will take care. ABAP don't know the functionality, so we know how to create a PO, purchase order. But ABAP will create the ME21 T code. But he don't know what is the purpose of this purchase order, why it is used, and what is the functionality of this and types of purchase orders. These are all stuff he doesn't know. Okay, he knows how to create T code, GT code, G table, G reports, and some developers are very intelligent and okay, they know each and everything. And if you are techno-functional consultant, so you know all this stuff for technical side and the functional side. We are all functional consultant, don't know technical aspects. And okay, so see these things we will discuss very little. Okay, so seventh step is we have to perform the unit testing. This is your role. So you have to perform unit testing. Okay, so you have to perform unit testing. That is your role. Your role is really your role. Okay, So as a functional consultant, you have to perform unit testing. That is your role. Got my point? Okay. And eighth step is so we have to perform unit testing. And eighth role is changes and development quality, help of the basis team, and we have to perform unit testing. And what is the eighth step? What is the eighth step? So then if unit testing is successful, unit test is successful. If unit testing is successful, so if unit testing is successful, what is the next step? If unit testing is successful, what is the next step? If unit testing is successful, what is the next step? Then we have to ask the SAP end user to perform UAT. Okay, UAT, if pre-production system is available, the ninth step. If pre-production system is available, then user will do UAT in this server. If it is not available, okay, then UAT will be done in the quality system. Okay. Unit testing general, if unit testing is done successful in quality system, then we have to ask the end user to perform it. And 9th, 10th step. And 10th step, what is the 10th step? 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 Tenth step is, so we have to move the thing UAT. UAT will be done. If UAT is successful, what is next? If UAT is successful, then we need to ask the end user to move forward the changes from quality to production. So this it's not end user, it's done by basis team. Changes will PRs will be moved by only basis console, not by end user. Okay. 11th step. Finally, so we have to ask the end user. Finally, we have to ask the end user. Test in the production, post the entry in the production, post the transaction. Or in the post the transaction in the production system. If it is successful, then user will confirm the closure of the ticket. Okay, this is the process. Okay, so for every transport request, for every configuration, we have to follow the process of the company. So there are some technically, some grammatical errors are there. Okay, please correct the grammar mistakes for the below. Okay, that's the system will correct all the grammar mistakes. What's this? Okay, just to copy this and first, you need to obtain approval from the client as well as the IT leads. Prepare the CR document in the service now. Prepare the functional investigation document. Both the developer and functional consultant will start configuration development system. The developer will prepare the technical investigation document and okay, and move the changes from development to quality with help of the basis team. Perform unit testing. If unit testing is successful in the quality system, request to the SAP basis consultant to move forward the changes from quality to reproduction. Okay. In the pre-production, okay. So in the pre-production, so user will do the UAT. If UAT is successful, okay. If UAT is successful, what is next? If UAT is successful, then what? What next? If UAT is successful, we have to move forward the changes from quality to reproduction, quality to. That's it. That's it. This is the page. This is the CR process. You guys need to prepare this CR process. That's it. Okay. So this is the CR process. Incidents means there is a SLA will be there. We need to resolve the tickets in time. Incidents, service request, and CRs. So these are the things we should understand. Okay. Right. Thank you. This is the process. So tomorrow, if anyone asks you, tell me the CR process in your company. That means transport request movement process. Okay, so all these cases, like here in the FS document, we have to prepare all this stuff. Huh? Okay. That's it. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll get back. Thank you.